Smithfield Foods is relocating approximately 115 corporate jobs to its headquarters in Hampton Roads, Virginia, from 2 regional Midwest offices in Illinois and Missouri, which will close by the end of next year. The positions being relocated include finance, procurement, human resources, information technology, and other support functions. While the company hasn't determined how many employees will move versus how many positions will be open for hire, the goal is to consolidate corporate functions, reduce real estate footprint, and increase collaboration. According to Ray Atkinson, Smithfield Foods spokesperson, this move is part of the company's ongoing effort to improve operating efficiency and reduce costs as it transitions to a value-added packaged meats company. The company expects this consolidation to unlock innovation and career development opportunities. Smithfield Foods, which has been based in Smithfield, Virginia, since 1936, is committed to investing in and growing the local community. The company reported giving $2.5 million in cash and in-kind donations and generating $3.9 million in tax revenue in Virginia in 2024. The company recently returned to the U.S. stock market in January, listing on NASDAQ, and reported a strong first quarter with a 44% increase in profit to $224 million and a 9.5% increase in sales to $3.8 billion. Smithfield Foods employs around 1,800 people in Virginia and 33,000 throughout the U.S., operating 40 processing plants and over 1,300 contract farms. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.